Hey everyone, welcome back to All Things with Tip. So today I am installing the wig from my last Luvme hair unboxing. This is the Swiss lace in a medium brown. It is an 18-inch long wig with 180 density. So my hair is already braided under here, so I just added my cap. Then I go ahead and get ready to install the wig. I'm going to start out by applying the even lace spray. I only did one coat because I am going to take this off later on. After that dried, I just placed that on the a little bit ahead of my hairline and worked that in with my comb all the way around. Okay, so I believe this is the first time that I've used the Swiss lace, and I love how well it blends, and I love how natural the hairline looks on this wig. You can barely even tell that the lace is on there. Once I was done getting that hairline melted, I took my Luvme scarf and tied that around and went ahead and dried it with my blow dryer. I just did that all the way around until it got dry. And after that's done drying, I'm going to go ahead and remove that Luvme scarf, and I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of that lace off, as well as the lace around and behind my ears. As I was cutting around the hairline, I was trying to start out doing it where it was not so straight, but it did end up being a little bit straighter than I wanted it to, because I wanted it to be a little bit more natural, but it still ended up turning out pretty good because you could barely see the lace once I was able to get it very melted into the hairline, and so you'll see that towards the end. Also wanted to mention that this wig was pre-bleached as well, so as you can see, I don't know if you can see it good, but on my parts, like, you could barely see the lace. Like, they did a really good job, and everywhere that I parted the wig, it looked very natural. The parts were very, very natural. And so, like, I really love this wig so far, and I'm definitely going to be wearing it a little bit more often, and probably will end up coloring it later on because I've been wanting like a red color, so we'll see how that goes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up. If you haven't already, guys, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos, and I will see you throughout the video. Alright, and I am just going back here, making sure that lace is laid down well. We don't want it coming up when we go outside, so just making sure those edges are laid down well and dried. And then I am going to go in and put the scarf back on and make sure that it is dry all the way, and then I'm going to clean up my edges. So every time I do my videos, I'm always making like these crazy faces. I'm putting my lips to the side or doing something crazy. I don't know why I do that. Like, I've noticed it before when I was cutting my hair in some videos, or just when I'm focused on something, then I'm always making these crazy faces. So guys, just ignore me. And here, like I said, I'm just going in and cleaning up around the edges. Here I'm using a cotton ball, but I've been using the makeup sponges and they work a lot better. So make sure you guys try that instead of the cotton balls if you don't like the cotton balls, or use a cloth. So next I'm just gonna go in. I am going to press this hair down and put a little bit of you'll see me show it a little bit later, but I'm going to put a little bit of the Paul Mitchell wax on there to help lay the hair down. And then I'm going to go in and just straighten it out. I didn't want to curl it, and I'm not a fan of baby hairs. I do a little bit of baby hairs sometimes, especially with my curly or wavy wigs or extensions, but I decided not to do it. I like a natural hairline. I do like the middle part, but my forehead is a little big, so I don't like it as much. But for this video, I did want to do the middle part so I could see how it looks, since that's how the wig came. And eventually when I wear it again, I'll probably do a side part. And here I'm just adding my makeup back to the lace and to my skin where I removed the makeup with the alcohol, and just making sure everything is well blended. And as you can see here, guys, I can't see the lace. Can't see the lace. It looks very, very natural. Very natural hairline. And here's that Paul Mitchell that I was telling you all about. I use this in a lot of my videos. It's great with laying down the hair. It's just like the wax stick, but it's just the Paul Mitchell brand. And I like to use that when I am laying down the top parts of the hair to make it slick. And sometimes I use it on my edges as well for when I am not wearing a wig. Alright, so now that I am done silking it out, I am just kind of playing with it, putting it behind my ears, just seeing how I like it with that middle part, and just kind of getting used to it. And I'm playing in the hair. I also wanted to let you guys see the length, wanted you to see how it's flowing. It's very, very nice hair. I am loving this wig so much. I'm just in awe of the hairline and how it looks. And just gonna get up in a sec to show you guys the length of the hair. And I am going to also put all of the details in the description. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Make sure you all stay healthy, stay blessed, stay prayed up, and I will see you next time. You know what it is. Peace.